After installing the Python extensions, I'm going to run a simple Python program using print method. Suppose I'm going to save my Python programs in one destination folder. I can choose the destination folder from File menu, then choose Open folder, colon Python programs. It is my destination folder to save Python programs. I'm going to create new Python file. It is the Explorer. In programs, I'm going to give new file first.py. It is my Python first program, so I will give the name first.py. Automatically, the logo will be changed here and here. So print method mainly is to print any strings or any variables or numbers on screen. Python is easy to learn. I'm going to run this code using the shortcut key F5 or go to run command start debugging, or you can give the run button here. Automatically the terminal window opens the shows the output. Python is easy to learn. I'm going to give next print statement. Now I will give a single quote. Python is free and open source. Now I'm going to run this code. The first Python is easy to learn will be printed. Then next line, Python is free and open source will be printed. To run the file, Python is easy to learn. Python is free and open source. There is a difference between first line and second line. In first line, I used the double quote. In second line, I used single quote. And one more. In third line, I'm going to use triple quote. Python is interpreted language. Here I used a single quote triple times. So here also going to use single quote triple times. Python supports multi-line strings. That's why I will give the example. Multi-line means suppose I'm going to give strings two or more lines, one or more lines. That time we are using triple single quote or triple double quote. It will give the same output. I'm going to run this code. Python is easy to learn. The first line. Second line, Python free and open source. We already know Python is free software. Without we no need to pay any cost for the software. So open for all, open source software. The third line, triple times I used a single quotes here also triple time. It is a multi-line string. Suppose I'm going to change the triple times double quotes. Here also triple time double quotes. It will give the same output here. So finally, we know string means collection of characters enclosed in double quotes. It is the string in other languages. For example, C, C++, Java. String means collection of characters within double quotes. In Python, a string means collection of characters enclosed in maybe in single quote or double quote or triple quote. It is string. Python support three different string types: single quote, double quote, triple quote. There is no difference single quote, double quote, triple quote. So it is a simple example for strings. Okay, next I will give some of the print. Suppose I am going to print any numbers here. To run this code, it will be printed 100. Going to any real values, floating values, print. It will be printed on screen. I'm going to print my name. Print name is variable. It is a default text based on name. Here the string Krishna is string will be stored on the variable name. The print method is to print the message after the name. Now I'm going to run this code. Welcome. Then next one name, that is Krishna. Welcome Krishna. It's a simple example. Suppose if you want any numbers or real values, maybe anything, you can use the print method to display your message. Okay, thank you.